Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie. I'm a mom of three and I love to cook and bake, but I don't have a lot of time to spend in the kitchen. So I try to come up with quick and easy recipes that are nutritious and delicious. So today I'm going to be making cheese crackers or cheese sticks. Now, I've made this a few times. The kids really love it, and I add a little extra fiber with flaxseed meal. So stay tuned for the recipe. After I've preheated my oven to 300 degrees, I'm ready to start. I'm starting with 1.5 cups of shredded white cheddar cheese, a quarter cup of water, half a cup of softened butter, about 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, a dash of oregano, about 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, a dash of cayenne pepper, which is optional, and 2 teaspoons of flaxseed meal. And then I'm going to mix everything together. Now this might take a little bit of time, but you want to make sure that the butter is thoroughly creamed into the mixture and that there are no lumps left. The recipe calls for 1.5 cups of flour, but I'm adding half a cup at a time. So I'm going to add half a cup of flour and mix thoroughly. Then I'm adding another half a cup, mixing, and then the last half a cup of flour, and then mixing again. Then you'll need to get your hands in there and mix the dough until it all comes together. So I've lightly floured my cutting board. Then just before rolling the dough, I'm making sure that it won't fall apart. And now I'm ready to roll it out. I'm using a sharp knife to slice the dough into squares. I've lined a cookie sheet with parchment paper and placed the cheese sticks on it, making sure that they're evenly spread out. These are going to bake in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown. And here they are, crispy, delicious cheese sticks that the whole family will love. So I like my crackers a little thicker than your average cracker, but it's nice and light. There's no taste of the flaxseed meal at all. It's nice and cheesy, and I'm sure the kids will love it. If you do try to make this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Until next time, take care.